we listen.
We've built up a good rapport over now quite a significant number of projects where we've worked together. That relationship's been quite important to all of us, I think. It's part of the success story around changing the monitoring technology we use.
We innovate.
We've worked very collaboratively with Senceive over the years. It falls in line with Costain's vision and appetite for innovation. It's been really, really good.
We deliver.
Senceive have given us a product that is reliable, it's robust and it's repeatable. It's just gone way above anything that we had before.
We are Senceive.
Senceive are the leading wireless remote condition monitoring supplier for rail and construction, both in the UK and internationally. Our products are incredibly easy to install. They're all automated. We only deal in precision and stable monitoring. Customers are therefore able to make better decisions with the information that we're able to give them.
Our award-winning flat mesh platform continues to help us drive innovation and empower our customers. Flat mesh is a wireless high-precision monitoring system explicitly designed for the challenging rail and construction sectors, providing cost and risk-reducing and low-maintenance solutions, helping to make our railways safer. A typical flat mesh setup outside will consist of sensor nodes connecting wirelessly to a solar-powered 3G gateway. In our system, all nodes are synchronized, so they talk to each other, acting automatically as repeaters if necessary to ensure data gets through in difficult locations. The sensors measure tiny movements. Data is reported up to 60 times in a minute. Nodes are quick and easy to deploy, can be placed almost anywhere, and are able to receive and communicate data day and night. With a solar panel, the entire system can be run without wires or mains power. The flat mesh 3G gateways even have an optional backup, so if, for whatever reason, they're damaged, for example, a backup provides fully automatic fail-safe switchover. The sensors have an unrivaled battery life of up to 15 years, making the system the benchmark for wireless remote condition monitoring globally.
It's a tiny little instrument, simply a matter of epoxy gluing it onto a railway sleeper near to the rails, connecting up the comms, and off it goes. Couldn't be easier. It certainly prevents us having to get onto the rail with old-fashioned manual survey techniques, which are dangerous first of all, secondly they're time-consuming and costly. So this on the basis of safety and cost is a much better proposition for us. And they've worked like a dream.
Below the South Bank Centre there's 4 very busy tube lines with less than 10mm clearance between how much the tunnel can move and the train can work. Traditional methods would not be suitable for this project, so we went with Senceive. It's exceeded everybody's expectations. With their hardware, the accuracy and also the battery life, and because they're wireless nodes, it reduced the amount of cabling and permissions we'd have to get into the tunnel. And since then we've been reading data on nearly 400 nodes every 15 minutes for the last 4 years.
The 3G gateways can send data around the world to any computer, monitoring system or software, as well as to our own Senceive web monitor. For internal, underground environments where there's no solar power, such as in tunnels, our USB gateways for laptops and our monitoring hubs provide a resilient communications solution.
Now with quick-to-deploy sensor technology, we can go in and instrument a piece of tunnel or a piece of railway and very quickly get a reliable answer. So that changes how we approach the management of some of the problems we face.
On the current project I've been on, we've been using the flat mesh tilt sensors. Those are monitoring every 5 minutes, and we can log into the portal and check out the cameras. It gives us a lot of confidence on whether to stop trains and investigate further. It's very reliable. They need little or no maintenance, and it's working out really well.
Our flat mesh platform, sensors, gateways and hubs are London Underground and Network Rail approved.
We didn't have a system that gave us the accuracies And in a single swoop from switching on day one, we proved that we could identify any movement that they would have.
Over the last 10 years, we've worked on a number of large-scale projects that have changed the face of rail and construction worldwide.
10 years ago, wireless was not regarded as a viable mechanism or system to be able to monitor the kind of assets that we monitor now easily. I think we probably have almost single-handedly changed perceptions and the way people think about wireless as a reliable source and a reliable means for people to be able to monitor risky assets.
Senceive is not just an equipment provider, they are also providing a great deal of support and already pre-configuring the equipment so that it's ready to be installed and ready to be used on site. I can only recommend Senceive. We are very happy with their technology and with their service. We feel very, very well looked after.
They're helping us to solve problems we couldn't before in the way we can now. That flexibility and agility in their service has been of great benefit to us, and I would happily commend that to others.
I am incredibly proud of what we have achieved, that we have a tremendously motivated, skilled team of people. I feel very proud that we are a British company. We are supporting the British economy, but we're a British company supporting the British economy with a global client base.